Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how to set touch and hold delay timing duration in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility, and here click interaction and texturity, and here select touch and hold delay. By default, touch and hold delay is 0.5 seconds short. Okay, if you would like to decrease touch and hold delay, just select first one. This is very short, and you can select medium. This is some more extra duration compared to the default short. Okay, then 1.5 seconds. Okay, in these four options you can select, otherwise you can set your own custom time. Okay, click on custom and here select the seconds. Okay, you can select as much as you want. Okay, and click on save. In this way you can easily set or change touch and hold delay in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.